Hey everyone! Welcome back to AJ Science and Tech, where we bring you the latest and greatest in tech. Today, we're going to dive deep into the JBL Tune Flex True Wireless Noise Cancelling Earbuds in Black. These small, powerful earbuds have caught a lot of attention, and in this video, we're going to see if they live up to the hype. Let's get started. Let's start with the design. The JBL Tune Flex earbuds come in a minimalist black finish, giving them a sleek and understated look. These earbuds are small and lightweight, making them perfect for all-day wear without feeling bulky or uncomfortable. They come with multiple ear tip sizes, so you can find the perfect fit for your ears. Whether you're using them for commuting, working out, or just relaxing, these earbuds are designed to stay comfortable. Now, let's talk about what truly matters to sound quality. JBL is known for its signature sound, and the Tune Flex earbuds don't disappoint. These earbuds deliver deep bass, clear mids, and crisp highs, giving you a balanced audio experience whether you're listening to music, watching videos, or taking calls. And with the 6mm dynamic drivers, the sound is rich and powerful, especially considering their compact size. One of the standout features of the JBL Tune Flex is its active noise cancelling ANC technology. Whether you're in a busy cafe, on a crowded street, or trying to focus at the office, the ANC effectively blocks out unwanted background noise. You can also switch between different modes, like ambient aware, which lets in outside sound when you need to stay aware of your surroundings. It's perfect for runners or commuters. Battery life is crucial when it comes to true wireless earbuds, and the JBL Tune Flex holds up well. With ANC turned on, you get up to 6 hours of playtime, and with the charging case, that extends to 18 hours total. Turn ANC off, and you can stretch it up to 8 hours of playtime with the buds, giving you up to 24 hours with the case. A quick 10-minute charge gives you about 2 hours of playback, perfect for when you're on the go and need a quick top-up. These earbuds use Bluetooth 5.2, which ensures a strong and stable connection, whether you're listening to music or taking a call. And they're ready to connect. They also have touch-sensitive controls on both earbuds, allowing you to manage playback, volume, and calls without needing to reach for your phone. This means they can withstand splashes, sweat, and even light rain. Whether you're hitting the gym, going for a run, or just caught in a sudden drizzle, these earbuds are designed to handle it all. Call quality is another area where these earbuds shine. The dual beam-forming microphones ensure your voice comes through loud and clear, even in noisy environments. Whether you're in the middle of a busy street or a bustling cafe, the person on the other end will hear you clearly with minimal background noise. To get the most out of your earbuds, you can download the JBL Headphones app, which lets you customize your listening experience. You can fine-tune the EQ settings, toggle between noise cancelling and ambient modes, and even find your earbuds if you misplace them. It's a handy addition that makes these earbuds even more versatile. At their price point, the JBL Tune Flex earbuds offer a great value for what you're getting: premium sound, noise cancellation, water resistance, and great battery life. They deliver a lot of features that you'd expect from higher-end earbuds, but at a more affordable. So, are the JBL Tune Flex earbuds worth it? Absolutely. They pack a punch in terms of sound quality, comfort, and features, all at a reasonable price. Whether you're a casual listener, a fitness enthusiast, or someone who takes a lot of calls, these earbuds have you covered. The noise cancellation is great for everyday use, and the battery life will keep you going all day. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to AJ Science and Tech for more tech reviews and insights. And let me know in the comments, what's the feature you value most in wireless earbuds? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.